Guys, I don't know how I how I wind up here, but we're in Albion, Indiana. It's a small town, but we'll call it as a city. It's nice here. Look at that. That's prehistoric or historic. Look at that. That is nice. What is this? Well, guys, leave a comment. What is this? What is Noble County seat? Form General Assembly 1836, named after James Noble, first U.S. Senator from Indiana. County seat Sparta, 1836, Augusta. Man, this is nice. Nice. What is this? Is this like prehistoric?
No, it's a courthouse.
It's a courthouse, okay. I'm vlogging it, okay. It looks, man, it's so awesome.
Yeah, they're redoing the whole inside, so that's why.
Okay, thanks, man. Man, it's a courthouse. The gentleman said it's a courthouse. It's nice. Oh my God, they're redoing it. Look at that. It's so nice. It's a courthouse. Oh man. This place is nice. I like the little city or little town. So beautiful. Look at all that. Nice. Oh man, look at all that. Architecture is so beautiful. I love it. Well, this is like an hour drive, an hour and 45 minutes to Indiana, Fort Wayne, Indiana. So this is beautiful. Yeah. And they have a police station, a little police station here. Look at that. Okay, let's see. You got liquidation slayer, furnitures, cafe. Oh, that's a Mexican mariachi. All the way out there. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And then go down here. It's like another what do you call this, bar. Oh, looks beautiful. That's his historic right there too. Let's go out there later. All right. Look at that. Breakfast. Albion. That is nice. Albion. It's pretty good. Look at that. Nice. Nice place. All right, let's go over there, see what's going on. Man, this place is beautiful. All right, let's cross. It's a small city, no traffic, but anyway, it's nice. I might go and eat there, the mariachi, Mexican grill. I don't know. Oh, they got a bank here. We are at Orange and Main, West Main, South Orange. Look at that prehistoric right there. I want to see that. It's going out there, detour. That's what I'm going. I'm going to go straight out there when I go home. Albion Ale House. That is beautiful. I'm going to take pictures of that. Oh man, this place. Look at that. All that out there looks beautiful. Let's go take pictures of that. I don't know how old is this building. All right, let's go in. Let's go walk. Man, it's beautiful here. I want to take pictures of this. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is... Oh man. This was 1903. This was here before. Look at that. Nice. Bradley House. That's the train station in Albion. Look at that. Oh, that's the courthouse right there. Right there. Do you see that? Right there. That's before they recreated. Look at that. All this. Oh my golly. I like that. Oh man. All right, let's take pictures here. All right. All right. So this is a bar here. Fox Den. All right. It's not. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, really nice. Oh man, did you see all these architectures? It's so beautiful. Heath Antique. Look at those architectures. They're so beautiful. Look at that. See how nice that is? Architectures is yeah. Oh, there's another yeah, antique. Look at that architecture. It's so beautiful from what, 1800s? Oh, this is a tailor shop or a shopping center here. Yeah. Reed Rusty Nail Boutique. All right. Man, this place is so beautiful. Let's go out there. Yeah, I'm lucky that I come out here. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Central Noble. Yeah, this place is nice. And then we have what is this? Location support location. Oh, it's a drink. It's a drink. I like that. Oh, what kind of drink is this? Smoothie, protein, coffee. Let me see if they have a decaf. Let me see if they have a decaf coffee. Are you open? I think they're open. Yeah. Do you have a decaf coffee?
I don't have decaf coffee.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, thank
If
you.
you're looking for decaf coffee, there's a coffee shop on the corner called the Fox.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure if she's
All right,
open, but
we'll
she
go
might
out
be.
there on the other side. All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
But let me put this one on my blog. Good Vibes, is this the name?
Hometown Mix.
Oh, Hometown Mix. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, ma'am. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, they just sell smoothie and all that. Let me see. Yeah, Hometown Mix. Come out here. They're really nice. Smoothie, energy bomb, you know, all kinds of stuff. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go find some decaf coffee here. Look at that. Hometown Mix. Let's start this way. Yeah. Start here and oh man, let's cross the street. It's so beautiful here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that Bradley Gibbs. Yeah. Oh my. I love the architectures here. It's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, 1875. Did you see that? 1875. That building is 1875. Yeah, it's really nice. Wow, this is beautiful here. Look at all that. They never make buildings like this anymore. Look at this. Look at this. Nice, nice. They never make buildings here like this anymore. Yeah. The architecture is so beautiful, you know. It's not like before. I'm not like before. It's not like today. It's different. Yeah. Let's go move over there. We got Albion pizza. Oh. Yeah. It's really nice. Oh, why this general? Oh God. Very nice. Yeah, let's go to the Albion pizza. It's beautiful. Yeah, that lady said, oh man. Woo! Now, this is, the train station before. This was, they recreate this. This was so this building here was the one right there. See that? The Albion, that's the train. And then right now, this guys, I'm standing right here where the guys are standing before. And kind of scary because they're not here in this world anymore, but this is the train station. Oh my, look at that. It is nice. And look at that, that's the one. We are right here. History. I love history. This is the one right here. Let's not go there because that's a private, you know, stuff. Now this is the train station. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, man, I like this. I want to take pictures of this. Okay. Oh my, that blew my mind. Let's go back and see it again. Look at that, because this is so scary. Look at this. That's the train station before. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. And these two guys are standing right here. Years later. Oh my. Many years. And I was standing right where they are. In 1800s. These guys. That is scary. But it's good. We got no, that's not. Let's go to the mural. Let's go to the mural. It said there's a mural over here. Oh man, that is nice. Oh, there's buildings out there. That's so nice. Oh, this is the mural that she was saying. Oh my, so beautiful. Look at that fox. Ooh. Oh my, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Man, I want to take pictures of this. All right guys, another adventure. And it's nice. Another adventure that's gonna end. I'm gonna end this out right now. I'll just say thank you very much for subscribing and following me. Thank you so much. All right, I'll close this one out now. All right, see ya.